Good morning, guys. We're currently having breakfast while waiting for our ferry that's going to leave in 1 hour. Now we're already in our ferry to Batam. The trip is 1 hour from Singapore to Batam.
One hour later.
I'm going to explore Batam Center first, and let's see how different Batam is from Jakarta. I grew up in Jakarta, so I am so excited to explore Batam. Let's go up the escalator and see what it is upstairs. It's mostly food, but we're not going to eat here. We're just going to take a look around this floor, and then we're going to go out and explore the rest of Batam. Hey guys, we just had our meal and we're now at a random mall. There's a band playing right now, so it's kind of loud here. I'm excited to see around and see what this mall has to offer. So it's been an eventful day in Batam. One thing that I noticed is that there's one commonality between Jakarta and Batam, and that is malls. If you go to Batam, you definitely will need to visit a mall in order to get the full experience. And now it's late and it's time to go back to Singapore. Thank you guys for watching.